Especially. We use this adverb to single out one person or one thing above all others. It can also be used to express to a great extent or very much. In the following example, it means particularly. Behind many good adverbs is a good adjective. This is especially true for the word especially, which is built from the common adjective special. Even. We use even to refer to something surprising, unexpected, unusual or extreme. For example, she was in such a rush that she didn't even have time to say goodbye to us. The Macmillan Dictionary helps clarify. Even is used for emphasis, mainly before a word, a phrase, or a clause beginning with as, if, or though. When emphasizing verbs, even comes before an ordinary verb. They even served champagne at breakfast. But even comes after an auxiliary verb, a modal verb, or the verb to be. She doesn't even know his name. Some computers can even talk to you. Sometimes even is used as after a word for emphasis. Sao Paulo is a huge city, larger even than New York. The task might be difficult, impossible even. Evenly. This adverb comes from the word even, which is the opposite of odd in mathematics. As an adverb, it takes on two basic meanings. Firstly, it can describe the manner in which we do something in a flat or uniform way. For example, to spread butter evenly on a piece of bread. Secondly, following the mathematical link, it can mean to do something like share things in an equal way. For example, she shared the cakes evenly amongst her 3 children. Each child got 2 cakes. We often find this word linked to distributed or shared or divided. This suggests fairness. Eventually. This adverb is synonymous with the phrase in the end. As a modifier, it suggests after a long time or after a long delay. For example, the heavy rain caused all rail traffic to be severely delayed. We eventually arrived at our destination some 4 hours behind schedule. When I have found out all the relevant information, I will eventually tell them of my decision. But at this precise moment, I am not in a position to confirm either yes or no. Exactly. We can use this adverb just as one word when we want to confirm to someone that they are completely right. For example, so, you're not getting married until you've saved up enough money to buy a house? Exactly. Otherwise we would have nowhere to live. It is synonymous with the word precisely. Excitedly. This adverb means to do something in a very enthusiastic way. For example, his dog ran excitedly down the garden path to greet his master, who had been away from home on business for a few days, licking him all over his face and wagging his tail furiously. Extremely or exceedingly. This adverb is a convenient way to avoid overuse of the word very. To exceed means to go beyond or surpass. For example, well, I must say, this is exceedingly good coffee. They'd heard that their son had passed his exam, but when they saw the breakdown of the grades, they were extremely happy and proud that he had scored higher than anyone else in his class.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on. place a like and turn on your notifications.